I guess they have been showing you how to clean your screen on your phone. Need better lighting. Yes, that's much better. I'm in the kitchen and it's pretty dusty there. It's not dusty, it's not clean there, okay? I need some things. Okay, you need a toilet paper and some glass cleaner. I'm using this V5 glass cleaner. I don't know if it's pretty good or not. I don't know. Okay. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S3. It's perfect for this. Yeah, a little bit of spray. It's nothing due to your phone, as you can see. I have turned on my phone. It's perfectly working, as you can see. And only the screen is dusty and dirty. Get some toilet paper and clean it. Need to clean this shit now. I can mix it. You need to clean it. A bit too much. I'm normally using only one, but spray a little bit more. I need more toilet paper. Give me a sec. Okay, I get a full roll of toilet paper. It's not required, but I need one roll of paper for a nice cleaning job. Let's do total nothing to your phone. Your phone will be like perfect, like before, but your cleaning screen. That's a nice plus, and it's like for free if you have this glass cleaner. Okay. This is one of the easiest methods how to do this. It's fucking easy and everybody can do this, and it's very cheap. Then you only need a toilet paper roll and some glass cleaner you have in your house, and that's about it. Now massage this phone a little bit. Okay, get out the toilet paper. Now it's clean as new. It's a nice touch to this phone. But one more thing you can do is put it in water. Yeah, if you have like iPhone 5 or iPhone 5S or any iPhone, won't do this. You broke your phone. I tried this already with my S3 and it's perfect, yeah. And I tried with my Apple Touch 4th generation, and the screen has been damaged. Then won't do this with your iPhones. They have different screen. It's LCD, TFT, IPS. It's not the AMOLED you have in the Samsung. Yeah, you can do this like perfect. Like this. Do nothing to your phone, but you need to be very quick and get the roll. something. Yeah. It's not like you can put it in water. And it's waterproof. It's not waterproof here. It's only a splash water resistant for a couple seconds. It's waterproof for a couple seconds. As you can see, it's perfectly working. I have a very nice clean screen. And one more thing to notice, if you got this in the back of your device like I have now, it's water. Very quick, you get the toilet paper and clean this off, then your phone will be out of warranty. Then you get to the part under the battery, to this one. You can zoom on it. This free is there. Then you get on this part, this thing get other color, and you got out of the warranty. Then this synchronize is water damaged. Yes. And one more thing, it's in on your case too. Then you need to clean the case too. Yeah, won't do it with your iPhone. On iPhone you won't have the removable covers. That quick you have only with the screwdriver, and then you unscrew this body. It's cost you a couple seconds, and this maybe kill your phone in the seconds. As you can see, my S3 is perfectly working. There's nothing to do it to it. It's perfectly working. And you've got a nice screen. This is on your personal risk. Won't do it if you don't know how to do it, or won't try it at home. I'm doing only for fun and for cleaning my screen. But then you are not, even yeah, you can break your phone. Yeah. Maybe you've got a clean screen, but maybe you've got a broken phone. Yeah. Clean this button very quick. Under this button you can get some water, and this cause to break your phone very quickly. All buttons need to be. Now as you can see, nice fresh screen. I got scratches, but yeah, but it's much cleaner than before. And only thing you can do with this toilet paper is get in the trash. And final step, clean up all this shit you've got, all this mess there, and try your brand new screen in your phone. Thanks for watching this quick video. It's pretty helpful for some of you guys. Maybe you can do it, but not put too much water on your phone, or too much this glass cleaner. Yeah, you can break your phone. But when you put only a couple drops of water, you can't break your phone. Yes, you can, but won't put it in the slots up. There is the jack. You can break your phone with jack or micro USB. Mine, it's perfectly dry in this part. Only the screen is wet. And yeah, I love my S3. Then it's unbreakable with splashes from water, and that's a very nice thing. Okay. One more thing is try the receiver. Get this for a couple seconds or minutes, for not minutes, like 1 minute it's good, and that's help the water came out from this grill there. Okay, that's about it. You can sure it's enough water inside. Yeah, want to do it with fan, you can break your screen. I already tried this on my iPhone 5 and I've got like a yellow spot on the screen, then I got a white color on background. Yeah, sucks. And I need to buy a new phone, and I bought my S3 and it's amazing, it's much better than the iPhone 5. And durability and yeah, the scratch resistance and water resistance. It's much better. The battery life more sucks on my S3, but I've got like really bad battery. I don't know why. I buy a brand new battery for my S3, but I'm thinking it's fake than the battery. I guess yeah, the battery's dry in like half day, you know. That's a bad thing. I'm reading on some sites that my S3 can do the more than 3 days. Mine goes like half day. And that sucks. I don't know why. But I'm thinking I need to buy brand new battery. I bought original. And this one it's fake. Yeah. I'm now using it in my phone, but I forgot an NFC and I'm too much surprised. Then this fake berry have an NFC. I'm already reading the on web, then the shiny shit berries won't have an NFC and this one have. I don't know, but yeah. The only one thing sucks on the S3 is performance. Yes, that's a badass thing. On iPhone 5, the performance is much better, but yeah, next thing it's sound destroys this display. Yeah, when you are on sun you see total nothing. Yeah. And on iPhone 5 it's perfect on sun, then you've got the brightness in max, perfect. And yeah, more good stuff. I'm thinking I buy a iPod Touch 5th generation, and I'm using this like daily driver, and I'm gonna be using the iPod Touch 5th generation like to the school, and yeah, to the school and at home on, I don't know, in bed it's very good. Then this Samsung Galaxy S3, the minimal brightness, it's that high, then I want that surprise. I need a lower brightness, and I'm going to sleep, and I like to watch videos on YouTube, and I'm going to sleep. And with this screen, it's shit. Yes, but yeah, that's about it for this pretty quick video. How to fix your dusty. If you have only dusty screen, you can get a toilet paper and only clean the dust from it. As you can see, it's perfectly working. I can run this test off screen. Okay, red, perfect, green, perfect, blue, perfect. Okay, and touch. see a few videos, then you can break the touch screen, then your phone is underwater. But this one it's perfectly okay. You maybe need to put the whole phone in water, like fully submerged in water, like that. I'm showing you now, like that, fully in water. But yeah, only splashes on screen, doing nothing, and that's a good stuff. Yeah. Sorry for the long fucking video for this easy thing, but yeah. That's about it for this video, guys. If you want to see more of these videos, post me in comments. I maybe make more of these videos. Let it clear your screen. But I never have a good applied screen protector, and I hate fucking screen protectors. Sucks. I've got already 15, one from Zach and others from like Chinese, I don't know. On my iPhone 5 I put Zach, but still bubbles, I don't know why. But on every one I've got fucking bubbles, and I hate the fucking bubbles. Then I got all these screen protectors, and I get a fucking knife and I smash them, like extremely smash the fucking screen protectors. Yeah, I'm going to make video how to apply fucking screen protector without bubbles. A lot of people saying me how I do it. I'm pretty good in the computers and phones and like this stuff. Friends saying me how I do the greatest without bubbles. Yeah, say I don't know, but I've got 15 screen protectors and all of this sucks. I don't know how to apply fucking screen protectors. I don't know if you can do this, but if you can, go to the service. I'm thinking they can they can apply for you the screen protector without bubbles. And I've got this big problem. Then in my house it's too much dust. Yeah, and that's a big problem. Outside it's more worse than in my house. And the best area where you can do this is like office. No office. I don't know. Like toilet. Just kidding. I don't know. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Stay tuned for more toilet paper videos, and always peace out. Oh, yeah, and one more thing, I maybe stop saying in the end of the videos. Thanks for watching, and always peace out. And I'm loving copying the tech Rex. Yeah, you can watch him videos. It's fucking amazing. I have a lot of broke phones. I'm total same, but I'm doing this with the shitty phones, and he doing this with fucking nice phones. Yeah, but like high-end devices. But yeah, peace.